Welcome back, if I haven't already said so. Well, that was a bit of fun, eh? Eh? Alright, I've been meaning for like the last 10 videos to mention some, answer a couple of questions that have come up. Maybe I'll try to do that here. Oh, first thing, somebody said, hey, I noticed a blur on all your videos. It's because the other camera had a scratch on the lens. I got this other one out that I usually use for a dash cam, and I think that'll clear that blur up. I don't know if I can get that scratch out of that or not. Where are we going today? Travel plans. My next major target is going to be Mobile, Alabama. Well, we're just going to kind of find our spots along the way. How do I find my spots? Honestly, I'm guilty. I do a lot of Walmart hopping. And it's just something you can count on. You always know that's there. So I'll target a Walmart. I forget what the town is now. It's in that direction of Mobile, Alabama. But I'll target that because I know I can count on that. I know it'll be there. I know it's the parking lot's lit. There's usually security. It's just a safe spot, a safe, it's their location to aim for. And if something else pops up along the way, great. But that's my main way of moving forward to the next town or wherever. Or if there's no Walmarts, the other one is, just truck stops. Any major, any intersection along a major highway is going to have truck stops. There's usually parking, and I don't have a problem with truck stops. I've been at Walmarts that are they're usually pretty good locations. I've been at a couple of those that were, I just a little uncertain about, and actually the truck stop would probably be safer than some of those, because who's gonna come mess around causing trouble around a bunch of truckers, right? So that's been my experience, or that's my view on it. That's my feelings on it. What else has come up? I don't know. We'll hit the road and something else will come up. I'll think of something else, okay? Bella. Ha. There it is. I've learned something that I'm sure other YouTubers before me have learned, probably the same way. Saying hello to Bella here in the RV is so convenient because she's camera level. She's looking and, okay, out walking and running. That's a little more challenging, but doable. But I think I'm learning to. Everybody thinks in a 15-minute video that, oh, there's that poor dog in that RV again. The heck with the other 23 hours and 45 minutes of our day that we were out walking, and that's, people don't see that. So they say, oh, that poor dog's in the RV again. So I think the trick is no more showing. You're not going to see Bella in the RV in this nice close up where you get to see her nice. It's going to be all out running, and I'll just show that, and then everybody will think, oh, she's out running all the time now. See the perception, the trick here? And so, people think you're just getting here all the time. Anyway, I love you too, girl. So, we're going to hit the road. Another comment. Oops, got my lights on. That's okay. The main entry door's open. Another comment that it hadn't even occurred to me. I think Daryl made the comment that, boy, I sure go to weather extremes, okay? I sure go from one to the other. And it didn't even occur to me until okay, door's unlocked. So that didn't even occur to me about going from one weather extreme to another, but going from the dry desert to Louisiana, where it's swamps, and it's been raining and foggy mornings, and Talk about going from no moisture to lots of moisture. That is one extreme to the other. We're in a swampland now. Well, I know. Something else, something else I'm learning too is, what? This channel also is my travel journal. And sometimes I put things in for my own reasons. Like the channel where it's at right now, it's, like the next chapter, it's just a point that I want to be able to look back at and say, oh yeah, that's where the channel was then. Somebody commented, and another thing I'm gonna have to learn is, hey, don't worry about it. Can't keep everybody happy all the time, and people will come and go. That's just the reality of things there too. But I want to be out down the road someday. I want to be able to look back and say, oh yeah, I remember when the channel was at that point. When there was a struggle, and but we figured it out and moved on. Sorry, not every video is going to be sunshine and lollipops and Care Bears and rainbows. It's part of the journey. So there's that. And like I say, I got to learn to, hey, don't worry about it. I'll do my thing, and those that want to come along will come along, and those that don't, at some point they find reason to bail out, well, so be it. Anyway, me and Belle's gonna get this all figured out. We will, and we'll look back on these days someday. Look how we did that. Just look how we figured that all out. Anyway, I got a nasty, mean, hateful, vulgar comment. And it was triggered because there's vulgarity filters. And most comments are just published straight up. Okay, you can settle down. We're done. That's it. That's enough. Go lay down. Most comments are just straight through, they're published. Some are marked as possible spam, and they go in a folder for my review. Others are just marked as held for review. And I deleted that. It was awful. I wouldn't show that to. So, I look at that in a positive light, though, that's a sign of channel growth. When you start getting haters like that, and they start coming, and your channel must be growing and reaching more people, and you come across those. So I take it in a positive light. I just deleted it and moved on. That's what we do. So anyway, it's going to be another cool, overcast morning, and I just might fire the oven up. I might put a pork roast in the oven today. I know. Don't make me scold you. Don't make me scold you. You be bad? You be a bad girl? Aw, not me. Alright, I'll get back to you. So, let's fast forward to the following morning. I cooked last night, and I recorded a bunch of it, and I don't know. Maybe I should do a cooking segment. Yeah, me in the kitchen, that ought to be good, right? So, I don't know if I can edit that mess together or not. I'll have to think about it. I'll have to review the files and see if I can put that mess together. Anyway, in the meantime, today, where are we at? I think it's pronounced Thibodaux, Louisiana. But this Bella is sure as a sniffer. So we're out for our second walk today. Anyway, we got some business to take care of today. It kind of snuck up on me. I'm usually pretty mindful about my water level and where my tanks are at, and yeah, I've just been busy with this channel stuff and wasn't paying attention, and I'm just about out of water. I might have enough water to do last night's dishes, but anyway, I need to get the RV. I need to get it all serviced up. So, yeah, and another stop is, like I say, the travel centers. You know, we tend to call them truck stops. It's less glamorous of a term than travel centers. Come on, let's go. But one of my favorites, again for convenience, is Flying J travel stops. Flying J travel stops, most of them, not all, but most, are very RV friendly and have facilities there. The reason Flying J is like my favorite is because I can stop there, dump my tanks, fill up with fresh water, get propane if I need it, you know, everything I need to get the RV taken care of. Well, if you have the professional driver's card and you don't need any, you know, driving credentials like a CDL or anything like that, if you get the, she's like, start it up. She is funny. Gosh, what was I saying? I know, we're gonna go. We're gonna be on the highway. I love to be on the highway. I love going for rides. Gosh, let me try to finish this. The professional driver's card, you know, the RV dump station, they charge $10 dump fee. If you have the professional driver's card, you get a discount. It's only $3. But you don't get it with just a regular card. I don't know. So there's another travel tip. On the road, $3 dump station if you get the everything put away. I got my coffee travel mug. So we've altered our route a little bit, going up towards New Orleans. Yeah, I located the next nearest Flying J because I wasn't paying attention. All of a sudden, I need to take care of the tanks today and get fresh water. So we've altered the trip a little bit. Not much. It's still in the same direction. We're going to get the RV taken care of today. And I don't know what. Okay? So, I just wanted to get this video wrapped up and uploaded. And we'll see about that cooking segment or not. I don't know what's next. So, till next time. I'll see you.